going?
We're going to Buc-ee's. First stop, we're going to Buc-ee's, and we're going to the Ark. And
then we're going to the Ark. Then we're going to the Creation Museum. Woohoo!
I gotta fill up
Our car is full.
beef jerky.
Californians going to Tennessee. Yep, there's my hand. There it is. It's there every time. Sorry. Very exciting. Very exciting. Look at the distance. It's Buc-ee's. It's the world famous jerky. Look at all the different. Oh, those are horrible. Wait, those are psychedelic and even worse. Wait. Oh yeah, the orange ones. Try these out. Yeah. It looks like an owl. See what happens when you forget your glasses? Oh, that's He hasn't decided on any glasses, but Denny has decided on a hat. What does it say?
Is it me?
What does it say on top? Charming shark?
Charming shark. Sharky.
We are here in Kentucky, eating surprise.
Mexican food.
I know it's a shocker to everyone.
Well, it's quite unusual. In fact, I have seen. Oh, thank you.
El Toro in Walton, Kentucky, just up the road from the Ark. And we've ordered a little small meal, just a little small something. Denny and Carol got some chimichangas, just a little small chimichanga, right? And we got
a petite bowl.
just a petite bowl, molcajete.
Thank you so much.
Molcajete.
A little more water. Thank you very much.
What all is in there?
Well, there's beef and there's shrimp and there's chicken.
Wow.
And there is cheese and there's chipotle sauce.
Wow.
Let's go for it.
Let's dig in. That looks really hot.
So it is hot. Sure.
What? Is it good?
Fantastic.
The Ark Encounter. Oops, Mike. We're getting on the buses. Good thing we're getting on the Ark because it's raining like crazy out there. Look at Denny's hat, how wet he is. It's a good thing we're getting on the Ark because it's a coming down. Okay, so then you come into the Answer building. They call it the Answer. I don't know why it's Answers, but anyways, there's a cafe. There's coffee and books, and of course, the most important thing is ponchos. How much were the ponchos? $4.99. Do you think that's great, Carol? Do you think Noah had a poncho?
Of course he did.
Of course he did. Of course.
It was a camel poncho.
Camel poncho. Okay. Because we kind of need it because there's another flood coming. Oh, and you can button yourself in. How convenient. I guess I better help them button in. Doing the best I can. The flood is coming. The flood is coming. I've got my umbrella with holes so I can see where I'm going. Head to the rainbow. This is where they drop you off. There goes our bus. And it's pouring down rain. We've lost the Callahans. Here they come. The flood is coming. Get to the Ark. Get to the Ark. I think the rainbow's a little, it's a preemptive strike rainbow, right?
All right, no running.
There's the zip line. Let's see. Gotta dry this up. And there's the Ark. I think normally there's a lot of people here. There's the carousel. There's the Truth Traveler, which is a virtual reality experience. Beautiful landscaping. New construction over there. Sorry, I'm going kind of fast, I know. There it is. Do you guys want to take a picture? There's a pond, elephant, camel coming up. The camels. Giraffes. Entrance.
Including the animals for 7 days.
Look at the construction. Wow. Yep. Whoa, there you go. Go ahead, I'll stand here too. Go ahead, yeah. So these would be like animal cages. I bet the water, you guys, I bet the water up in here, fresh water. Can you hear? Food. Yeah, so this shows the huge interior structure. This must be the very front of the Ark, huh? Yeah.
See, they're making them.
All the jugs of water.
אותך, וכולנו נשרת אותך נאמנה, לאהוב עמך. אלוהים שבשמיים, אנו מבקשים את רחמך בסופה נוראית זו. קראת לי לבנות ספינה, לשמר את משפחתי ואת החיות שהבאת אליי. ושאפתי לכבד אותך נאמנה בכל מה שעשיתי.
Very small heads. Look at the size of their paws, though. What's this for? What's this big?
This is water.
Oh, watering. Oh. Both could drink out of
It
it.
services both feet.
Yeah.
Boy, those are pretty real.
Oh, pull that out and clean that out, and then there was all the floor had slits in it, and they could clean it out from below. Yeah. Did you see that face in there? That's great.
Yeah.
Look at these.
Like a pterodactyl.
Wow.
Their wingspan is adults are 22 feet. I bet it was a very smelly place.
Oh, I can't.
Oh, I can imagine it would be very smelly.
Noisy, too.
Yeah.
Yeah, and noisy, yeah.
It's a very creative imagination to make all these things.
Yeah, yeah.
Look at that.
Wait till you get to the you see the ones with the fur on them. That's how they make them. I've seen videos of making the animals so long.
Oh, the deer kind.
The generations that followed grew extremely corrupt and violent. The world became such a dreadful place. God is now washing it clean.